we know the real beneficiary of that Kodanadu murder and theft. So the government, state government, actually favored Palanichami in that case. And even before elections, the present Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has told in his electoral manifesto that the Palanichami government is a corruptive government and we will form a special court and we will punish all the ministers, including the Chief Minister Palanichami. But they have done nothing. So Palanichami is the B team of DMK. So why he has fought against BJP in the 2024 election, knowingly that he will not win even a single seat? He filed candidates in many constituencies and he helped DMK to win in 39 constituencies.